Welcome back to my channel, guys. Thank you so much for being here. If you're an MVP, if you loyal, I appreciate you. Smash the like button. Thank you for already joining the family. If you are a VIP, very important person to me. If you're brand new, you don't know who I am, welcome. My name is Tiv. This is Live with Tiv, and over here we do curly hair videos, travel vlogs. Things are coming soon for other things that we're going to be doing, but in this video we're going to be doing a makeup tutorial. I have no idea what I am going to do, if I'm being 100% honest. I just know I want to do a blue look. I'm just gonna put some music on and play with makeup. If you like what this looks like, then just keep on watching. So real quick, guys, before I actually get started on this makeup, the reason why I'm doing a blue look is because this is Autism Awareness Month, and I've actually been working with kids with autism for about 2.5 years now. They hold such a special place in my heart. I just want to do what I can in this platform to just say that we need to be more educated so that we ourselves can be more prepared to equip these children so that they could be the best versions that they can be. So for all my kiddos with autism, I love you guys. To all the professionals that are helping kids, especially those with autism, I love you guys. God bless. And this one's for you guys. So let's jump into it. This is one of the makeup looks that really inspired me to do a blue look, and one of my really close girlfriends, Maria, and if you guys are not following her, you guys definitely need to, because she is phenomenal. Like, her artistry is insane, and she did this blue look for Easter, which just passed by, and I absolutely love it. I am going to be kind of playing off those as inspiration, and we'll see what we come up with. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take the shade Aquarius from the Colourpop palette, and we're going to use this as our first shade, and this is going to be our transition shade. So this is basically going to be a color that is not really going to be seen in our look, but this is just going to help the other colors blend in together and have a little dance party, because why not? But this is basically just going to help everything blend together. I also took some tape and put it on both of my eyes because I do want to have a very straight and defined eye look today. I also go back in and just blend all the way out to the tape. The next thing that we're going to do is going to take this cobalt blue shade from, this is an OG old bhcosmetics palette that was literally my first palette ever, and they don't even sell anymore. But any cobalt blue that you have will work. And I also don't know if I want to play around with this pigment too. I feel like this is light, so I feel like I want to dust it in the crease now because it's a little brighter. This might mess up everything. It's super pigmented. I took the pigment and I put it directly on top of where I put that cobalt blue. Now, if you don't have a pigment, you can use like a satin eyeshadow. I basically wanted the pigment so I can brighten up the look and not make it look so chalky and matte. Oh, that looks pretty. I like that. I like that. That like just brightened it up a little bit, because the colors that I have are really matte, and I feel like just having a little bit of that shimmer in the crease kind of brightened it up. I like it. I'll take it. I'm gonna go back in with B3. Just to darken up the crease a little bit. B3 is literally just the name that I put to the cobalt blue because none of these colors have any names. But basically I took the cobalt blue and I tried to deepen up the crease, and then I realized that I think some of it was a little bit darker was actually because of the pigment. So I am going in with the pigment and just tapping that on to the crease. And then I go in with Aquarius and just blend everything out and make sure that there are no harsh lines. Okay, I like it. I think it's a lot brighter. Now I feel like I just want more definition, a lot more definition. I'm gonna take more of the cobalt blue and kind of pack it on right here. If I'm being 100% honest, I was just adding the cobalt blue because I was too scared to go in with a darker shade, which I do here. There's like a matte, not navy blue, but it's like a darker cobalt blue, and I use this to start to really define the crease. Okay, just because I'm already have this palette in hand, I'm gonna take Capricorn, and I'm going to really cut out the crease and really define it, and I'm just gonna tap off all the glitter off of my brush so I can just have a black eyeshadow. If you have a black eyeshadow, a really dark gray could work too, but that's the one that I'm gonna use, so do as you please. And this is where things got real. I'm someone that's actually super scared to use black eyeshadow, but just work at your own pace, work slow, and yeah, you'll be fine. I'm gonna go back in with the darkest blue that we just did and just add more blue. So this is literally just to help blend out the black and add a little bit more depth, and then I just go in and blend everything out. I'm gonna cut my crease, but I don't know if I want to do a white or a blue for the lid shade. I feel like blue might be a little too much. I feel like I want to do the white, but do we want to do glitter or do we want to do eyeshadow is the question. I'm going to cut my crease off camera real quick, and then we'll jump back on. Okay, and we're back with the cut crease, and I still have not made a decision. So I think I'm going to phone a friend. And I think I'm gonna call Maria because she the one. Okay, she's not available. Next person I would call is my older sister, Osho. So let's call her and see what she thinks. Hi.
Hello.
So I'm mid-video, but I needed to phone a friend because I don't know if I should do a glitter, a white glitter, or if I should do an eyeshadow, like a white, off-white eyeshadow, or should I do blue? I feel like blue would be too much. What should I put on the lid?
I mean, if you do blue, it would be more monochromatic. You could do like a white shadow and do the glitter like on the center, or you could do like the glitter on the crease, like where the white meets the blue.
Oh, like do like a almost like a liner with the white, because I also have this light blue one that I want to do.
Yeah, we could do it with that, and then the white more towards the inner corner.
I'm trying to see. Okay, I think I might do that. Thank you so much for phoning a friend.
Can you do something for me though?
What?
What lipstick are you gonna do?
Neutral.
Okay, can you please do it for me? Not to like overline your cupid's bow a little bit.
To overline my Cupid's bow?
Like, don't do it so like deep like you do it.
That's how my lips are though.
I know.
Like, do you see?
Yeah, I know, but can you just, that's what I'm saying, overline a little bit so it's not too deep.
You don't like how I do my Cupid's bow is what you're saying. I like when it's like defined.
Well, do you then?
Okay. Softer Cupid's bow, are we gonna do it or are we not? Stay tuned and we'll see. Okay, so my sister has spoken. We are going to do eyeshadow with maybe, I don't know how I feel about the whole glitter liner thing, but I think I might highlight the crease with the glitter. I think that would look dope. So let me see what white shadows I'm gonna do. So I think I'm gonna do the first shade in the Jaclyn Hill palette on my crease, and then we'll do the glitter, and then I don't know if I want to do the light blue in the inner corner, but I definitely think I'm gonna do it on the waterline, and then we'll see where we go from there. Okay, but do you guys see like the little bit of like the glitter? I feel like I love that. Yes, I love that for us. Okay, I'm just gonna do that on the other eye because that took a good 5 minutes, and then we'll be right back. Okay. 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 Okay, so we're back. My eyebrows are done, and I bought lashes specifically for this look, and somehow the lash glue that I had picked up legs, like got some legs and just walked away. So this look calls for lashes. It 100% does, but shorty ain't got no lashes. So I'm gonna put some music on and do the rest of my face and my lower lash, and then we'll be back at the end to wrap up this video. So let's get back to it. The lower lash line is super simple. You're just gonna take the darkest blue that we use in our crease first, and then you're gonna do the pigment after. For the first third of your eye, you're gonna use the Crab, which is a Colourpop pigment, and then I end up using the Maiden as my inner corner highlight. I did end up using a navy blue Sephora eyeliner on my waterline off camera, but I just didn't have footage of that. So my sister requested that I didn't do an extremely defined Cupid's bow as I like, but we do what we want here. So how's that for defined? I love you, sis. And that was it for this video, guys. I had so much fun doing this. Again, this is for Autism Awareness. If you made it all the way down here, you might as well subscribe, because like, I mean, you did it this far. Thank you so much for being here. Be blessed, stay blessed, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.